Okay, so where are we? 3 weeks since I made an update. Not really achieved a lot in any visible changes to the engine. I've managed to get a few things I can do, not really a lot of use for anything. This was where I was trying to do my entity component system. I'm dropping all of this part and I'm going to move on to this piece here, which I'm going to call my object management system. I'm not going to call it an ECS because it isn't. So the idea of this is where I'm going to get control of the objects. So I've worked a few bits out where I can add stuff into this. I can now I can rename these and we can have a we can remove them. We can right click on it and that calls up this little menu here. At the moment we can only delete them, we can't do anything else with them. We can't delete this. It just says, you know, you won't allow you to delete the camera or the world sun, which will be like the ambient light behind the scene. This has taken me weeks and weeks and weeks to get here. I've got a lot of stuff that's hard coded which I know is wrong. This has all been created in this entity node page that I've started here, where this is all the being able to build up that vector and then display it in the scene tree, and then be able to interact with it, be able to delete the object, reset the indexes, and various other bits that are required to be able to manage objects. I am still a million miles away from actually being able to utilize the information that I'm slowly gaining and learning how to do the stuff, sort of thing. But it's I mean, it's slowly coming together. I am more and more of it I'm doing, I am understanding. I managed to work out how to put some little buttons on the, can't use them yet, but I managed to work out how to get some little buttons on the side here, and fix them in place. I can't click them, they don't do anything if I click them. So there are loads of, but it is a really slow process. It's because I haven't got a good enough education to understand the mathematics and the other bits behind C++. The enjoyment I'm getting out of it is absolutely immense. I mean, I've spent weeks and weeks and weeks doing this just to be able to do this, and I absolutely thoroughly enjoy it. My next step is when I mean, at the moment I can add a cube there into a set position. I can't move that cube. That's the only cube I can move at the moment. I can't do anything with this cube. My next little chore is I'm going to get rid of this part of it, and I'm going to sort it out so when I click this button, that adds a cube in here. I then need to be able to reposition that cube somewhere else, obviously, and then be able to click that button again and add another cube in there with its index and everything, and I can give it its name. So I know what it is. It could be a wall, it could be a floor, but this is really challenging for somebody with my education, but I really am enjoying doing it. It is good fun, and I can't believe the hours you can spend or waste, however you like to look at it. You know, doing it. It is. I haven't abandoned it. I know I haven't posted anything. This code isn't. I haven't uploaded the code to GitHub because it's in such a mess. Nobody would want to see it. I'm going to carry on plugging away, and when I can do something that's a little bit more interesting, I will upload the code to GitHub, and I'll make another little update so anybody that's watching can see that I am progressing. Eventually I'll get there. Thanks for watching if you did.